When you are typing in a document, Word normally checks your spelling in the background, marking possible errors as you go. If the markings bug you, this quick tip can help you discover how to hide those markings. Word includes a feature that checks up on the spelling and grammar in your document as you type. You've seen the results, the different colored squiggly underlines that mark spelling and grammar errors. For some people, the red squiggly underlines that denote spelling problems can be distracting, since their appearance can break your concentration as you're composing your document. Perhaps you would rather check spelling as a discrete phase of document development at a later time. If you find the red squiggly underlines distracting, you can turn them off. All you need to do is click on File, then click on Options. That displays the Word Options dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, click on Proofing. At the bottom of the dialog box, all you have to do is turn off this option right here, Check Spelling as you type. You clear that, then you click on OK, and now all of a sudden your spelling errors no longer have red squiggly underlines, and they won't distract from you as you're developing your document. Now, this doesn't mean that Word doesn't know where your spelling errors are. It just means that it doesn't let you know about them right away. In order to check your spelling in the future, you'll either need to repeat these steps and again display the errors, or you'll need to explicitly start a spell check by pressing F7. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click like, then the subscribe button, and finally the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.